Good morning. It's Wednesday, August 9th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear. Precipitation at 8:57 this morning across the state. A few showers moving off the Georgia coastline and moving out to sea, and that's part of, really not really a name for it, just kind of a subtropical blob out there, and we can see it when we turn on the radar as the sun comes up, lights up those clouds, and you can see there just east of Savannah out in the Atlantic Ocean with a pretty good storm system, but that's not expected to develop into anything significant. It is sitting right over the Gulf Stream, which is a stream of warm water in the Atlantic, and so that's why we're seeing some energy start to pop up out there, but it's just too far north for it to develop into anything significant, but worth looking at anyway. Let's take a look at temperatures across the state. Fairly mild as we get started this morning. We do have 70 degrees up in Cherokee County, 72 in Atlanta, Macon's at 72, Albany at 73, so kind of a cooler start than what we've been used to the last few days in southwest Georgia, but it's going to heat up quickly today and plenty of humidity as well. Very foggy in the western half of the state with visibility readings under a mile from Columbus to Carrollton, even up into the North Georgia mountains, so a dense fog advisory in parts of West Georgia, and then some drier air over North Georgia and then in parts of South Central Georgia. We'll take a look at that in just a second, but kind of a cool, refreshing start in a few parts of the state compared to the last few days anyway. Here's our severe weather outlook for today. Level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk for northwest Georgia, including the northwest Atlanta metro. We're going to see this mainly later this evening, late tonight, and even overnight tonight. And then the level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk covers Athens down to Macon and Albany as those storms continue to push through very late tonight. As we take a look at tomorrow, level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for all of North Georgia, Middle Georgia as well, so mainly north of I-16. And then Friday, just a general thunderstorm risk across the state of Georgia. We should keep that severe weather away. Let's take a look at this interesting map here. Very colorful, right? This is the lower level water vapor imagery. The orange color, it's some pretty dry air. Yellow's dry. You can see some moisture cutting through down in South Georgia and coming into Northwest Georgia as well. But that's why temperatures and the air feel pretty good this morning in parts of Northeast Georgia and then even into Augusta with that drier air. But we're going to see the sunshine kick in today. That's going to heat us up, and still plenty of humidity will be moving in. As we head through the morning hours, we should stay rain-free. Heading into this afternoon, also pretty quiet. We may see 1 or 2 showers or thunderstorms pop up, especially south of I-20 today. It's just going to be hard to keep the rain away with the humidity that we have that will be building up through the course of the day today. And then by this evening, some showers starting to move into North Georgia. There's that system that's moving in from Alabama, Middle Tennessee. We're used to this as we entering Dade County, Walker County later on around 7, 8 o'clock this evening. And then our severe weather threat will be over Atlanta, up into Gainesville, over to Athens by 1 a.m. So we're going to be watching after 9 p.m. tonight as this line pushes through, and then we'll continue on in and just kind of linger around by tomorrow morning. Looks like this boundary kind of stalls out, so expect showers in North Georgia as we get started tomorrow, lingering around into the afternoon hours, mix of sun and clouds for the southern part of the state, hot and humid. Still going to be plenty of humidity out there, and then those showers and thunderstorms start to fire back up again by tomorrow evening, mainly in North Georgia. Taking a look at Friday, we're going to keep our severe weather risk low, but still starting out with some clouds, a few scattered showers, 1 or 2 thunderstorms possible, mainly in the south, and then they start to pop up again as we head through the afternoon hours. This looks very bright and colorful by Friday evening, but I think the atmosphere is not really going to be that conducive to the severe weather. We'll see if that changes over the next couple of days, but right now the modeling just showing these are going to be our garden variety thunderstorms as we head into Friday afternoon and Friday evening. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.